Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best computer desk that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the best choice products LShaped Corner Computer Desk. This product has looked a perfect balance between the sleek-looking design and contemporary color scheme. This kind of design makes it a perfect purchase for students, gamers, office workers, those who are going to place it in close, cramped corners. This computer desk features its pull-out keyboard drawer. You will also get the CPU stand on making this purchase, which is given for absolutely free. This desk built with a classy modern design to add to the professional look of any home or office setting. Moving on at number 4, we have the Walker Edison Soreno 3-piece corner desk, best L-shaped computer desk. This is one of the most famous desks in the L-shaped design category for computers. The L-shape provides the corner wedge for more space and design creates a look that is both attractive and simple. The most popular characteristic of this desk is its versatility. Its powder-coated steel frame, beveled tempered safety glass, and sleek black finish make this desk an aesthetically pleasing desk. Configuration options allow you to mount keyboard tray on either side of the desk. This computer desk complements any room and it is a great addition to any home office. At number 3, we have the HOMCOM 50 inches multi-shelf computer desk, best multi-shelf computer desk. This computer desk is designed for all those of you who need to hold everything in an organized manner. The 50-inch tabletop along with 4 different shelves. Each of these shelves come with enough storage space so you can store files, other computer-related accessories, inside this computer table. This table can hold 110 pounds of weight at one time. The manufacturer has used tempered glass in the construction of the computer desk, which allows a certain degree of elegance to this piece of furniture. The glass surface makes it easy to clean. At number 2, we have the FolUBA Rustic Industrial Computer Desk. This computer desk is perfect for you to enjoy working or studying. It is constructed with metal and wood. The steel frame in a powder-coated matte black finish offers sophisticated contrast. It can hold weight up to 350 lbs. It is available in 47 inches and 55-inch sizes. It has 1.58-inch thickness tabletop. The company offers 30 days of money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the Computer 47 inches modern office desk. This computer desk from HOMCOM is great for home office activity. The desk panel made of MDF, which is waterproof and anti-scratch and easy to clean. The legs made of heavy-duty powder-coated steel that ensures durability. The thicker and tougher desk legs provide additional stability. It is available in black, white, walnut and tweaks. This cheap computer desk comes in 47 inches and 55 inches. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.